Today, we're heading over to the Tuscarawas County Fairgrounds in Ohio back in 1966 for the Dover Steam Show. Grandpa loved anything mechanical, and from these old films you can tell, this show was right up his alley. I even tracked down one of the very steam engines seen here that still exists today. I'm hoping to make it to the Tuscarawas Fair this year to see if any more of these steam engines have survived. But for now, though, I'll let Grandpa Byron's film do most of the talking. For safety reasons, we don't see these giants up and running anymore, but many are still on static display at county fairs around the region. Well, this week's video was a short one, but as always, thanks for watching. I've got a lot more in store, so I hope you'll drop by again soon. Cheers!